And what you're looking here, guys, is our factory kit in deluxe leather. This is black, guys, with the stone stitch right here, guys. Welcome, guys. And we have today the 2023 for F350 crew cap, guys. This one will fit the 2023 to 2025 F250, the 350, the F450, and the 550 for the regular cap XLT, the crew cap Lariat, the super cap XLT STX or XL, guys. And what you're looking here, guys, is our factory kit in deluxe leather. This is black, guys, with the stone stitch right here, guys, stone stitch. And what you're gonna have, guys, once you order this kit, depends on your configuration. You got your two buckets, your two headrests right here. You got your headrest, right? And you're gonna have also your console lid, guys, just in case that you have this configuration. If you have the jump seat, you will get the pieces then goes with that particular piece, guys. And this is not your cheap sliding cover, guys. This is upholstery work. You need to understand that because it will take hours to install. This is not your cheap thing that you just throw on top of your upholstery. No, guys, this is real upholstery work. So let me show you something here, guys. Because when you buy our kits, guys, you're gonna get mop pockets just like those right there. And also, guys, you're gonna have airbags reinforcements. So you see this right here, these are your airbag reinforcement, guys. Very important. You wanna be sure that you are safe in your vehicle. You don't wanna compromise safety, put in a cheap seat cover that you don't even know if the airbag is gonna deploy correctly, guys. These are built exactly like the dealer intended. Actually, this is the same product that we put in vehicles in the dealer. Let's say you go to the dealer, you find your truck, and it's made out of cloth, but you don't like it. So you want leather, then the dealer call us, so we can put the leather for them, and then you guys are being paying double, sometimes even triple the original cost of this product. So don't allow the dealer to get away with that. You can do it yourself, guys. And you're gonna get also your headrest. That's for your two buckets, guys. You're gonna have two headrests for your buckets. Now, when it comes to the rear, guys, depends. If you have the single cap, that's gonna be it for you guys. And maybe if you have the jump seat, we will replace that part of the console. Otherwise, you're gonna move to that one, guys. The second row, which is a 60/40 in this case, is a split. And it's the same, guys. You're gonna have your headrest right there, the little headrest in the center, and the other headrest for the other side. And this one, guys, if you have carpet underneath, just like this one, you're gonna have your same carpet, no problem. It's just like the dealer did it. Same here, guys, no problem. This one folds, guys. You're gonna be always able to see the back. This is a vinyl for this one. And guys, you want to order this leather kit for your vehicle, visit LeatherTeck.com, buy EM Upholstery Technology.com, so you can make the selection. And if you don't know which one, guys, talk to us. Give us a call. We have all kind of communication system right there. So you can consult with us which one will be the best configuration, and we can help you with the selections of the colors. And let's continue, guys, because you want to elevate these kits to the next level, so you have to get your degree system, guys. 3 levels of cooling and heating, because you want to be cozy in your ride, guys. People complain, oh, Elisa, you know what? I'm gonna get my leather interior, but I'm gonna be too cold in the winter, or I'm gonna be too hot in the summer. No, guys, we have temperature control systems that allow you to control the temperature of your seats with 3 levels of heating, 3 levels of cooling. Obviously, this is our top of the line. Please inquire about this system, guys, because the upholstery also has to be special for this process to be going, because it's a airflow system, guys. And if you are in a budget, at least guys, get your seat heaters because you don't want to suffer the winter. You don't want to be shivering in your car. You want to have at least seat heater, guys. So one more thing, guys, if you want to save hundreds of dollars in your next interior, let's do this. Here, guys, visit LeatherTeck, leathertech.com, and fill up that form right there if you want to save hundreds in your next order, guys, because only available for the people in that list, those are big, are available, those big discounts, guys. We cannot publish some of the prices. That's what we want you to be internal in our system so we can take care of you in a way that is minimal for you when it comes to savings, guys. Don't forget that. Go to leathertech.com and fill up that form. It only takes a minute, guys. Let's go back to the degrees for a minute, because if you order the degrees, guys, we have to modify the upholstery so you can have the airflow coming from the seats, especially for the front, guys. These ones are the ones that I'm talking about. We want to have perforation so you can install that system so the airflow goes through the cover, guys. And again, all this is available at leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. Over 60 different colors. And this is available, guys, virtually for any vehicle. Right, black, red, available for any single vehicle that you can think of. Yes, make an inquiry, please. We have special editions. We have piping. We have honeycombs. We have diamonds, double diamonds, exotics like ostrich, alligator, sway skin. You name it, guys. All available at leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. Like and subscribe, guys, because you want to see this transformation. We're going to install this kit in the truck right there. Beautiful, beautiful truck. So you can see the transformation, guys, and appreciate the professional installation when it comes to this kit, because I know it looks like crap. But wait until the installation is finished so you can see the before and after pictures and videos so you can appreciate how beautiful these interiors are without breaking the bank, guys. Like and subscribe so you can see the techniques, the installations, and how we make your beautiful leather seats at leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys, because we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. It's very simple. I'll rate this one from the scale from 1 to 10, probably at 7 or 6, guys. It's very simple without the jump seat. The jump seat, it will take it to a level 8, more or less. But we got you covered. We got our hotline. We help you with the technical things. So we take you by the hand if you decide to do this process. And if you want to take it to the professionals, we can help you to do that too with your local installer, or you can bring it to me right here in San Bernardino, guys. Either way, I have you covered. So thank you for watching. Visit leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com. And guys, any color combination, we have it virtually for any car. Just make an inquiry and look forward for that video for the completion of the installation, before and after pictures for your beautiful leather seats at leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. If you have questions, please put it in the comments or tell me which one is the one that you want to see done, or do you think there is not a right combination for that truck? What do you think, guys, about this interior? Put it in the comments. And again, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next rat video.